Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering things correctly. Charge the case and earbuds above 20% so connection is stable. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone and keep the phone within 3 to 5 meters. Open the Tribit case. This makes the earbuds auto-power into pairing mode. Why? Because the earbuds broadcast a Bluetooth signal only when active. You'll hear a tone or see a flashing LED, which confirms they are discoverable. Now move immediately to your phone's Bluetooth list to find the Tribit device name. You tap the Tribit entry in your phone's Bluetooth list to initiate pairing. This step binds the earbuds to your device. If a permission prompt or PIN appears, accept it. Most Tribit models use PIN 0000. While pairing, keep the case open and don't move away because interruptions can drop the handshake. After a successful exchange, you'll hear a confirmation tone and see connected on the phone. Make sure media audio is enabled so sound flows through the earbuds, not the phone speaker. You finish by testing playback with a short track and adjusting volume on the phone and earbuds for balanced sound. If they fail to connect, perform a soft reset by holding the earbud buttons for 10+ seconds until LEDs flash. This clears stale pairings. Also, delete the Tribit entry from your phone's Bluetooth list before repairing, because leftover profiles can block a fresh connection. If problems persist, charge fully and retry. Intermittent power causes most pairing failures, so steady power usually fixes it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.